Gas water heater not working. Here's our air code. The gas valve was replaced. Let's look this up real quick. So this is a vapor sensor air. It's not like the other video I posted where it's detecting the presence of flammable vapors. So I'm gonna remove this Molex connector and test the continuity between pins 2 and 3. We should get more than 9,000, but less than 45,000. Set the meter to ohms. Test between prongs 2 and 3, or we can just test right here since that's already dangling out. And just shove that in there like that. Oh well. Let's test here at the flammable vapor sensor. Oh well. Here's a replacement one I brought. Once I saw that code, I went and grabbed it, and we've got 30,000 ohms. So let's hook this up and see if she'll fire. You don't have to do the fancy restart for this type of lockout, like the one where it detects the vapors. Leave that off for 10 seconds. All right, let's see if she fires up. Yep. It went off immediately, but it was in vacation mode. So it was a new valve. So I set the heat. Let's see what we're getting. I see the igniter. Gas valve just clicked on. It's got flame. And I'm gonna cut this zip tie and put our sensor where it's supposed to go. Alright, that sets in there upright like that. That's the correct way to do it.